Welcome to review of IGR Plus Digestive Diet Pills. In this review, you will know IGR Plus Digestive official website, IGR Plus Digestive benefits, IGR Plus Digestive ingredients, IGR Plus Digestive offer price. Hello friends. I am Dr. Smith. On public demand. Today I'm gonna review IGR Plus Digestive. Why use IGR Plus Digestive? Many of my patients had complained about bad digestion system. They always talked about stomach problem. After a few days, they felt powerless. Actually, it is a most common problem that many ones suffering from. They don't have good immunity power. I did research in labs. Reviews many supplements. Talked to manufacturers. Then finally, I found the best. IGR Plus Digestive. IGR Plus Digestive. IGR Plus Digestive is a natural dietary supplement that minimizes infection, heals digestive tract health and also maintains the digestion maker. IGR Plus Digestive supplement will certainly boost your gastrointestinal system and also body immune system. It boosts your heart's beats. Alright. Here is official review of IGR Plus Digestive.
I don't know what the end result of all this will be. I've had some doctors.
Welcome to official review of IGR Plus Digestive. IGR Plus Digestive is a dietary supplement that minimizes infection, heals digestive tract health and also maintains the digestion maker. An item by Jon Price M.D. in partnership with Pacific Naturals. This one is totally natural and backed science and researches. IGR Plus Digestive supplement doesn't enhance stability one's intestine, however it furthermore reinforces one's immunity. It is likewise GMP licensed and made in the United States. As a result, the pleasurable is likewise top course. The purchase of this product is backed with the help of a money-back insure. IGR Plus Digestive evaluation. There can be numerous factors behind the intestinal issues that one faces, nevertheless an unbalanced intestinal tract and also irritability are nearly usually the offenders that begin it all. No quantity of converting medications, probiotics and also various other capsules may be helpful without a doubt human beings. That is why Jon Price M.D. has struggled on a natural system which can supply a long-lasting convenience. He has actually paired with distinguished organization Pacific Naturals to create IGR Plus Digestive. The call of this product means infection intestine comfort. This product's development has been performed on the premise of several researches, exams and also researches. The system contains of reliable components that includes turmeric extract, peppermint oil, boswellia seratta, etc. IGR Plus Digestive furthermore includes a mix of probiotic traces consisting of lactobacillus as well as bifidobacterium infantis. Peppermint has also been offered the structure for strengthening the absorption of curcumin. This product can detox the frame of toxins and clean one's device. It does currently not handiest battle infection as well as security the gut. It additionally gives relief from excruciating joints. It is able to get rid of an unclear mind as well as keep wholesome blood glucose rates. It is able to free certainly among gasoline, bloating, tummy cramps, unpleasant defecation and also various digestive system concerns as well. IGR Plus Digestive product is GMP licensed and also made within the United States as appropriately. Active ingredients of IGR Plus Digestive: turmeric, peppermint oil, boswellia seratta. Benefits of using IGR Plus Digestive. IGR Plus Digestive supplement will certainly boost your gastrointestinal system and also body immune system. This all-natural supplement enhances your stomach. IGR Plus Digestive will certainly resolve haze from your mind, yet supplement is not psychedelic. Make your joints wellness. It boosts your heart's beats. This also changes your lifestyle and makes your life delighted and joyful. IGR Plus Digestive all-natural supplement enhances your total entire health and wellness, as it has actually added natural ingredients. Attributes of IGR Plus Digestive supplement. There are numerous qualities that make IGR Plus Digestive look like an item worth trying. The attributes that make this item seem rewarding are the following. The formula of the supplement is all natural. IGR Plus Digestive is risk-free to use also. It has actually been produced on the grounds of research study. It can be easily added to one's regular. The acquisition of this formula is risk-free. IGR Plus Digestive is of superior quality. Where to buy IGR Plus Digestive in United States? You just have to visit official website and claim your offer price IGR Plus Digestive bottle in US. You have pay $69 for single bottle. You have pay $59 for 3 bottles. You have pay $49 for 6 bottles.
We have just shown you official website details, price and also offers. Because we are here for you. We know the value of your money. So, just follow the instructions and get you pills at discount price. You are also here to get the best product from the official website. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment if you found any problem, and must subscribe.